Hello. So we're looking at doing the daily reflection first, and you're going to copy and paste A through E into your lab notebook, and then choose which situations have a net force acting on them and identify the direction in which those net forces are acting. Make sure those answers go in your lab notebook along with those situations and scenarios. Next, we're moving on to the activity guide, and I want to kind of explain what I'm expecting in that activity guide because it is a template. So I'm going to click on the template in Google Classroom, and you already have one made for you, so you don't have to hit copy. And any writing in there that tells you what to do, that's where you're going to put your information. So you're going to replace that first part, then you're going to put your name and the date. You're going to complete your introduction by following those instructions. You're going to complete your hypothesis, and it's going to seem repetitive. You're going to repeat what's expected to happen. That's okay. Your materials list should definitely have more than one material. Your procedure needs to be extremely specific, pretending like I'm an alien coming from another planet. And then your data table is going to change as well. So what data are you collecting? What are you looking for? What are you going to prove with your data? The two parts you can't yet do are the results and the conclusion because you have not performed your lab with your 3D print object yet. And that's it for today on that part.